ongoing trial of alleged money laundering. And the court ruled that the prosecution cannot cross-examine its own witness. Earlier on, the EFCC tried cross-examining its own witness, that is the person of Nicola Ojehomo, one of the internal auditors of the American International School in Abuja. So they attempted to do that after the defense had cross-examined it, and this move was contested for by the defense attorney, saying that they cannot cross-examine that particular witness unless declaring that particular witness or extra witness according to the evidence act. Well, previously the judge had to rule on it, and we adjourned to yesterday. Yesterday, the judge delivered the ruling, and the ruling favored Yahaya Bello and his lawyer. This is why it favored them. The judge noted that it is out of law to cross-examine your own witness after you've done your own examination in chief. And for you to do that, you have to declare a extra witness. However, the court actually gave them the opportunity to re-examine that particular witness. And the court gave them clear limitations to guide them in the re-examination. Now, this re-examination was going to be only to clear ambiguities that was created or maybe expatiated by the defense counsel. And secondly, the court told the prosecution, that is the EFCC, that whenever they are asking questions in the ongoing re-examination, that they are going to ask specific questions relating to pages 1, 14, and 16 in the Exhibit 19. The Exhibit 19 is the Abuja Federal High Court, Abuja High Court judgment regarding the trustees of the American International School and the brother to Yahaya Bello. And we got that saying that the money that the school returned was not a proceed of crime. They did not establish that that particular money was a proceed of crime. So they have no legal authority to return that money back to the EFCC. Well, yesterday, the entire issue was settled, and the court ruled that they can only re-examine, and they should stick to Exhibit 19 and pages 1, 14, and 16. However, the case went forward, and they brought forth a fourth witness. That is the person of Michelle Abata. Michelle Abata is a Zenith Bank compliance officer. Michelle Abata presented a series of documents yesterday when he led the evidence in chief by the prosecution. And most of those documents were bank statements, account opening packages of 6 different accounts, and particularly one linking to the Kogi State government account. Michelle Abata testified before the court that a total number of 1.968 billion naira was released in debit from that Kogi State government account. So that is where we are, and we are expecting that the case will continue to be, and maybe the prosecution witness, that is the Zenith Bank compliance officer, will cross-examined by the defense counsel today.
Thank you so much, Joshua Imarayi, for that update. Very well spoken, like a lawyer, a resident lawyer, Oliver Modi will be very proud of you. I'm also proud of you.